Wait, give me a minute. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Ayana. If you're new here, hey girl, hey. If you're not new here, thank you for coming back. So as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be doing some self-care, and to be honest, self-care doesn't always look like this to me, because in this economy sometimes the heart is willing but the pocket is not. So this time the budget just allows, and you know, we're gonna do it in the most affordable way possible. So we're just gonna take care of ourselves a little bit. Today is Tuesday. I am on my way to go get a facial at Paul Mitchell. As you know, I am a graduate of Paul Mitchell, so I like to, you know, I wanted somebody to support me when I was going through school, so I just like to support the girls there, and I do have like friends there still. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get a facial and with microderm.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Baby, don't be down. Don't be wrong. I ain't got no one at all. This penthouse view ain't as beautiful as you. One of our time, but I can think of you. Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never.
Yeah, glow out of 10. Like, honestly guys, you can see the glow. My face looks like, anytime I get a derma pain, it's like my skin what just thanks me and just acts right. So yeah, so we're gonna go, let's go finish our errands today, because I don't know what I'm doing.
Spray on my gun, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, tell me,
That was an absolute fail. All they had was like pink and purple and white flowers. They had some fall flowers, but not like by themselves, so I'm not getting them. It didn't speak to me, so let's go to Sephora.
don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my time straight. I know I've been away.
So empty here, that means I can log in with but there is not because they're playing music and I'm gonna get copyrighted. But I have a list of stuff that I'm looking for, so I just look for them, add them. I don't want to stay too long in here and spend money that I don't have. So I'm gonna go to makeup first.
must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything.
They're kind of gone forever. There you go. Of course, have a good day.
Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there. Playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together. You must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think it through some magic game. That like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You beat it, and I'll be there. Be there. Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room for this. What you following me for? Say no fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause you blow like a seagull.
Hey guys, good morning. Happy Thursday. I just made it to my brow appointment. As you can see, my brows look rough, they're very bushy, and Aesthetics by Ali is gonna get me right. I'm running late, so I'm gonna go rush in and see you guys when we get in there. Girl, magic.
Hey, do you like them? Do you want me to change anything?
Nope, they're perfect.
Yay!
So made my brows look thicker just by accident.
Right?
Yeah.
They do.
They look amazing.
Yeah, they look
Thank
great.
you.
I don't know.
Guys, my brows look absolutely amazing. I left my wallet at home, unfortunately, so we are going to go head home, get the wallet, and then go get our toes done. So see you at the nail salon.
Lips are telling me yes. Why you kissing on my neck? Making me feel so. Should I stay? Should I go? I don't know. You have voice down, drive me wild. Look at the back of my mind. I know.
too stressful.
Yeah. Girl, you do not need no stress ball.
I don't know. I feel like it's gonna hurt because it's so long. Oh. Wait, give me a minute.
Okay.
Jesus.
I don't know what to do with you. I can't let it get too dry.
All right, go.
It's like the paper.
Oh, I was worried about nothing.
I told you.
So this completes my self-care, maintenance, whatever you want to call it. You know, just making yourself feel good, pouring into yourself a little bit, you know, feeling good, looking good. It's all, they always go hand in hand. So yeah, I think I bodied I bodied this install. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, see you next time.